What's going on, everybody? Josh here. In this video, I'm out in Oakfield Trails in Parrish, Florida, and I'm going to take you on a tour of two inventory homes that are completed, ready to go. And oh yeah, the builder is offering a 3.99% FHA mortgage, plus they're paying $15,000 towards your closing costs. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Parrish, Florida and surrounding areas. So if there's anything I can do for you, give me a call, shoot me a text. My number's right here on the screen, or you can scan this QR code right here. That will take you to my Calendly link where you can schedule a one-on-one Zoom call to discuss your real estate goals. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, this one is the Zion floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, 2387 square feet. Currently listed for $406,850. Pan around, show you what it looks like over here. And as of right now, of course, subject to change, this home qualifies for a 3.99% FHA mortgage. Also, they're paying $15,000 towards your closing costs. So great opportunity to get in, make it a little bit more affordable. You do have the paver driveway, paver walkway, love that. Also, this home has a fenced in backyard. So that's one less thing you have to do here. Let's go inside and take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, so we come in the front door here. We have the LVP flooring right here to the right. You're gonna have some understairs storage. Of course, you got the wire rack there, but nice understairs storage here. Continuing on, let's head over here to the left. Let's just go out to the garage and then we'll work our way back in. So out here to the 2-car garage, you have your hurricane shutters in the corner. You have your rain bird on the wall for your irrigation. And then your water heater is tucked away in the corner over there. So when we come in out of the garage, you have this little space right here where you could create a drop zone. And then first floor bedroom here. Nice sized bedroom. So also could just be used as a den, but a great little guest suite area too, since you have a bathroom right outside. Blinds are included as well. And then just kind of have that standard closet here with the bypass doors. Right outside of bedroom number 1, you're gonna have bathroom number 1. So you got the white cabinets, the quartz countertops. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. And then you have the white tile around your tub and shower combo. All right, so come out of the first bathroom, come back to the main hall, take a left, and let's head up the stairs. So nice big landing right here at the bottom of the stairs. Come up the stairs here, you got a window top of the stairs. Well, not quite the top of the stairs, but there's another landing right here. And then you make a right turn, come up this couple more steps, and you're up to the top. So you get up here, you have this little nook right here. There is cable right there, so great little spot if you wanted to hook like put a little desk there, maybe hook up a computer. I know most people do wireless Wi-Fi now, but that's an option right there. All right, let's head over here to the left. You're gonna have this gigantic loft space over here. Nice big loft space looking out the front of the home. Of course, you could easily frame this in right here if you wanted to close this off with a door. Coming on down, take a left. You're gonna have a bedroom number 2 right here. Of course, like I said before, blinds are included, which is nice. You have the gray carpet on the second floor up here. Just have your standard closet. And then right outside of bedroom 2, you're gonna have bedroom number 3. Nice sized bedroom as well. And then just your standard closet. So cross back over the hall, your second full bath here. Same white cabinets, same quartz countertops, and then the same white tile around your tub and shower combo. Of course, LVP in the bathroom. Continuing on down, you're gonna have your second floor laundry room. Got the LVP in here, washer and dryer included. I'm sure you're gonna add a wire shelf there. If not, reach out and I can negotiate that in for you. All right, so your main suite here. Nice size bedroom here, looking over your backyard. And then into your main bathroom. Switches back to that LVP flooring. When you come in to the right, they didn't frame it out with doors or anything, but this is where your towels can go. Then you have your shower right here. What a lot of people have done that I've seen do instead of the shower rod that will be there is they actually just frame this out with the glass doors. Makes it look a lot nicer. And then right behind me, you have your dual vanity, all the same white cabinets, the quartz countertops that we've seen before. Of course, your undermount sinks there. And then your water closet right over here. Nice little space back here if you want to put some type of armoire or something like that to add some more storage. Let me know in the comments below, what would you use that space for? And then your walk-in closet, it's gonna be right here. All right, let's head back downstairs, finish taking a look. And there is another light down the stairwell. I must have just missed it when I was turning it on, but that window gave a good amount of light. Didn't even notice it. So back down to the bottom of the stairs here. This would be your grand room, living room, whatever you want to call it these days. Everybody calls it something different, which is opened up to your kitchen and your dining room. So you have your nice big island here with the quartz countertops. It is an electric community, so you have your slide-in range here, your stainless steel microwave above. Let's take a look. It is vented out, as you can see. No soft close on the drawers though, or the doors, I should say. Have your stainless steel dishwasher there, single bowl undermount sink, stainless steel refrigerators included as well. And then your pantry is gonna be right here. Right. And then this would be your dining room area here. I just noticed I didn't turn on that light either. It's so bright in here, didn't even realize it. There is a little space here if you want to put some type of buffet in right there. And then right out here, this is going to be my biggest knock. This floor plan does not have a covered lanai. So you come out here, you have your concrete pad, and then this just little overhang. But it's easy to add a covered, like screened in porch / lanai area back here. Depending on the size, you know, roughly 10 grand, 10 to 12. But you do have your fence, which is really, really nice. Of course, irrigation is included, but nice big backyard, plenty big enough if you want to put your own pool in. But eventually the amenities will be here in Oakfield Trails, and you may not want your own pool. But here's a look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the Zion floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, this is your friendly real estate reminder that if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. As nice and as knowledgeable as the sales reps are, they represent the builder and not you. And more than likely, this is the biggest purchase of your life. So make sure you have somebody in your corner looking out for your best interest. If that could be me, give me a call, shoot me a text. My number is right here on the screen. But let's go back to the video. All right, this one is the Orchid floor plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 2,503 square feet. Currently listed for $415,000. And for a limited time, subject to change, is this one qualifies for a 3.99% FHA loan plus $15,000 towards your closing cost. So you got your paver driveway here and the paver walkway. Let's head inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And as you see, you got your smart camera doorbell, your smart lock here. So when you come in the front door, you're gonna have your wood-like tile floor here. Over to the left here would be your front little den area here. If you wanted to, you could frame this out and close this off. Continuing on down, you come right into the kitchen. So nice big island with the quartz countertops, your undermount sink. You have your white cabinets, your stainless steel dishwasher in the island. It is an electric community here, so you have your electric slide-in range, your stainless steel microwave above. Let's check and see if it's vented out, and it is. Do not have the soft close on the doors though. Let's see if the drawers do. Probably not. Nope. Those are easy fixes if you want to add those though. Right over here is going to be your pantry. And then the stainless steel refrigerator is included in this one as well. And you can see blinds are also included. Let's head this way first though. So coming down the hall here, right off the kitchen, you're gonna have the half bath. You get your pedestal sink here. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. I do wish the builders would get away from doing the pedestal sink and just put a vanity there so you'd have some more storage space. But let me know in the comments below, do you prefer the pedestal sink or a vanity? And then right over here is gonna be your first floor laundry room. You do have your washer and dryer included. And I'm sure they'll come back and put some wire shelving in there. But if not, I'm sure I can negotiate it for you if this is something you like. So come out here, you have your hurricane shutters out here in the corner. You do have your rainbird on the wall here to control your irrigation that's included. And then your water heater tucked away in the corner over there. So you come in out of the garage, come back over here, take a left. You have some understair storage here. Bend down, it does wrap around, which is nice. I know sometimes, to give you guys a little trick of the trade, sometimes these understair storage, they will just put drywall here and you can knock it out and have some additional storage under the stairs. But let's head upstairs, take a look at this one up top here. All right, so you got it's like a tan carpet. Get up to the top here, a nice big loft space here, looking over your neighbor's roof, but really big loft space. And come down the hall here. Gonna have your first full bathroom. Got that wood-like tile floor again, same white cabinets, the quartz countertops we've seen. Do have the dual vanity, the undermount sinks, and then you have your white tile around your tub and shower combo. All right, so right outside the bathroom, right over here, it's gonna be bedroom number 1. Once again, blinds are included. And of course, just your standard closet here with your bypass doors. Right outside in the hall, at the end of the hall here, you have a linen closet. And then bedroom number 2. Looking out the front of the home. Same standard closet as I showed you a minute ago. And then come back down the hall, right outside bedroom 2 is gonna be bedroom number 3. And then the same standard closet. All right, let's head downstairs, finish taking a look. Of course, this one has a first floor main suite, which a lot of people love in these 2-story homes. All right, so down the bottom of the stairs, take a right. This area right here where you have the LED light, this is gonna be your dining room space. And then of course you're open to your living room space here. You have your cable on the wall here, but a lot of people stream these days. So you could set this up either way if you put your TV on either wall. All right, let's head out, take a look at the main suite. So nice sized bedroom. And into your main bath, you come back to that wood-like tile floor. Got your dual vanity here, all the same finishes that we've seen already. And then your water closet here and your shower there. So with a white tile around your shower. And the nice big walk-in closet. I like how they did the 2 rows. I hate wire shelves, but at least they doubled the fun here and gave you more wire shelving so you could hang a lot more clothes. All right, so let's head outside, take a look at this covered lanai and the backyard. So you come out here, you have your concrete pad here, covered lanai. And then your neighbor, they've already fenced in their backyard. So if you wanted to fence in your backyard, just connect on that side. Plenty big enough back here if you wanted to put a pool in. You do have this corner pond view. You can see here where the stakes are. So this is kind of your corner of your lot here. But here's a look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the Orchid floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.